Hey guys, Trobe Sport here again with another active kids activity for you to do in your backyard or house. Today we're going to be doing Rubik's Cube fitness.
Alright, so in this game we're going to be swapping colours to hopefully get the board looking as it is now. As you switch a colour, the first colour you pick up you'll have to do a movement. So we've listed the movements we're going to use here today. And if you're doing it at home you can select your own, whether it's push-ups, sit-ups. We're doing fundamental movement skills today. So we'll reset the board and we'll show you how it works.
Cool, so that was the version where we worked together, but we also have a super competitive version as well if you want to ramp it up in your house a little.
So in this one, instead of just doing one activity, for each time you switch two colours, you will do both exercises for that movement, and you are trying to get two colours 4 in a row. So we'll be competing. Steph's going to try and do white and blue. I'm going to try and do the green and the yellow and get 2 rows of 4.
Cool, let's see who wins.